Hey everyone, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you all how I created this green and brown look. It's super quick and super easy. In my previous post on Instagram, I showed you all how I did my base. So do have a look if you want to know what products I used to perfect my base for today's look. Now let's get started. I'm going to do my eyebrows using the Anastasia Brow Powder in dark brown. I've already primed my eyes using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to start by taking this color Come and Get It and adding it to my crease to define my crease. Towards the inner corner, I'm going to go a bit higher as I want my eyes to look bigger. I'm just going back and forth in windshield wiper motion. Next, I'm loading this brush with the color Fezz Up and packing it towards the outer corner. Once there is barely any color left on the brush, I will add it to my crease. Again, using the windshield wiper motion, I'm going back and forth. Don't worry about the edges, as in the next step, I'll blend the edges. Now I'm taking my transition color, which is Come and Get It, on the soft blending brush and blending the edges of the dark color so that the edges look seamless. Next, I'm taking this green color from the Tarte Pro Remix palette and adding it to the inner 3/4 of my eyelid. You can take any green or blue color you like. There's a beautiful green even in the Moroccan Spice palette. For the lower lash line, I'm going to start by taking this dark color Fezz Up and add it to the lower lash line as close to the lashes as possible. Each time you take color on the brush, don't forget to tap the brush so that there's no fallout. Next, I'm taking the lighter color on the pencil brush and just blending the darker color. I'm just going back and forth a couple of times. Next, I'm adding my current favorite mascara by Colourpop. It gives so much volume and length. Next, I'm adding the Huda Beauty lashes to complete the look and Colourpop lipstick in the color Me. So that's the final look. I hope you try recreating this look because it is super easy. I'll be back with some more video tutorials. Till then, keep blending, my lovelies.